So hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Nutrivora oil of oregano. This is a product which is used for gut related problems. So you can see this product is manufactured by you can say like Nutrivora, and there is also some more brands available in the market. They are also selling the same kind of products, and you can say like oil of oregano and all. So if we talk about you should buy this product or not, so my dear friends, I want to tell you, in today's time this is a very common product, and you can also see there are lots of brands who are selling same kind of product. This is another product that is like micro ingredients. This is the product brand micro ingredient. And if we talk about like Nutrivora is also the same kind of brand. And if we talk about you should buy this product or not, so my dear friends, I want to tell you, when you purchase this product on their official website, the official website is Try Nutrivora. Try Nutrivora is approx like you can say 2 or 3 months old brand, and the trust score of this brand is also not too good, and it means the product is not worthy, and you can say like the product will not give you results. So there is lots of issues. The first issue you can say the subscription model. When you purchase products on their official websites, like they will provide you a subscription. You need to keep this thing in your mind. If you are going to purchase, don't try to take any kind of subscription, otherwise you have to pay a lots of fees. In terms of subscription, you have to pay every month charges. Okay, so you can see over here, when you visit on amazon.com, you just need to simply type oil of oregano, and you can with black seeds oil, you can get lots of product available in the market. So, and the ratings of the product is also good. So basically the use of this product is like you can say boosting your immune system and promoting digestive health and act as an antioxidant. The oil of oregano is also very good thing, but the brand is not looking genuine. Product is easily available in the market. You can see over here there are lots of product available, so there is a chances of you can say like not getting results. So if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. And if you have any experience with this product, please make a comment. Your comment is a real review, but my recommendation is you should go some genuine brands. Like you can see Now is also providing oregano oil supplement, so you can also purchase a Now, you can select Now supplements, and you can visit on amazon.com. You can find several products available on you can select amazon.com. So make a proper and good decision, and don't try to take any kind of subscription, otherwise you have to pay lots of fees in terms of you can select subscription amount. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.